Machielo bende en jagore migawo chuech mag arita kwe mathurkani mano Dr. Raymond Omolo oyango ni jo-Kenya maromo milion 31 osendikore e bwo okumba thieth mano mar SHA kaka yo mayudo thieth mayot. Jatelo nogo bende oyango ni ute thieth mopogore opogore maromo 1134 osemiyo rak mar chiwo thieth e bwo okumba thieth nogo ma bende koro wacho ni biro keto fuong'ruok ne jo-Kenya e yudo chenro mag thieth mopogore opogore. Bende nomedo ni chenro makamani en makodhi kelo yot ne jopiny kama bende nomedo jiwo oganda mondo mi oneno ndikore e bwo okumba thieth nogo ka bende ne ogolo siem ni ute thieth bende biro dhi ataro mar orak magiseketo tibiro kawo ni okang' mager. Jatelo no wacho mae ka koro ni oganda jokenya mabura bende josebedo ka koro yuago ga onge malong'o mar chenro mag thieth e bwo okumba thieth nogo kata kamano ogolo singo ni en chenro matiyo kendo onge kod ng'ikruok.
Trust remains one of the most important foundations of effective healthcare delivery. As a government, we continue investing in healthcare infrastructure, expanding access to services, strengthening the health systems, as well as supporting healthcare workers. I think one of the most novel ideas we have under this administration are the community health promoters. And when you speak about early diagnosis, early presentation to health facilities, working with the county governments across, we are able to pick a lot of things, information, even the lifestyle patterns of people before they present with serious cases to hospitals. In healthcare, prudence means seeking early diagnosis, embracing preventive care, attending regular checkups, as well as medical advice. As it is, we are already witnessing encouraging progress through the Social Health Authority, and to date, more than 31 million Kenyans have registered under SHA. 11,034 health facilities have been contracted across the country, with more than 147 billion having been paid out in claims to support healthcare access across from October 2024 to date. These achievements demonstrate our commitment to making healthcare more accessible and affordable. And they also demonstrate an important principle. Healthcare works best when citizens actively participate. And therefore, registering for SHA, seeking preventive care, attending routine screenings and checkups like Marion has just shared with us, adhering to treatment and making informed health decisions are responsibilities that directly influence individual and national health outcomes.